Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Help Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you whenever I start the computer. Your Gigabyte PC show no bootable device is detected. System will enter the BIOS setup. So how to fix this problem? Follow my all steps. Don't skip the video. The problem is that the BIOS is not finding any drive with an operating system. After entering the BIOS setup, go to the BIOS features section. Check if the BIOS features are showing the hard disks. Mine is not showing it. If the hard drive does not show up, go to the peripheral section. After going to the peripheral section, then go to the SATA configuration. After the SATA configuration appear, you will see that SATA channel 1 showing disable. You need to enable the disable option. Simply press the enter button and select the enable option. Then go to the SATA type option and select the option that is already selected. You can also select AHCI mode. Then press F10 on your keyboard to save the BIOS settings. After saving the BIOS setting, the computer will restart and will start up without any problem. If you cannot find this option or the problem persists, I will show the another solution. Press F2 to go to the BIOS settings and then go to the save and exit option. Then go to the load optimized default. Press the enter button on load optimized default and immediately click the yes option after pressing the enter button. Then save the BIOS setting. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.